Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a recurring payment on Cashapp. Let's get straight into the video. So to set up recurring payments, all you got to do is first open the Cashapp mobile app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap the dollar icon at the bottom of the screen, and now tap pay to initiate a new payment. And now you want to enter the recipient's Cashapp username, also their phone number, email address, and then just enter the payment amount that you want to send and tap pay to proceed. Now you can select recurring payments to set up a recurring payment, and then choose the frequency of the recurring payment, such as daily, weekly, or it could be monthly. And then just set the start and end date for the recurring payments and review the recurring payment details and confirm to set up the payment. And that's pretty much it on how to set up a recurring payment on Cashapp. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.